Lukashenko continues massive daily repression of Belarusians. In Belarus today there are 1,180 political prisoners. About 50,000 have been arrested, detained and tortured, and hundreds of thousands have been forced to leave the country. Last year, the dictator ordered to hijack the Ryanair civilian plane with 132 people on board. The Lukashenko regime is waging a hybrid war against the European Union. Lukashenko actively supports Russia's war against Ukraine, becoming a co-aggressor in it. Repression, politically motivated criminal convictions, detentions, arrests and tortures continue every day. The dictator gives orders to the army to fire combat weapons at those fighting against Russia's occupation of Belarus and the war in Ukraine. 2 Belarusians have already received gunshot wounds. Why has everyone decided to close eyes to this and forget about it? Are the fates of 1 million Belarusians less important? Dictator Lukashenko can continue his repression of the Belarusian people, continue his aggression against Ukraine. There is a concentration camp in the center of Europe and nobody cares. World, wake up!